Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to MT Paradise. So today's video we're actually going to be talking about a couple RLC cars. If you guys don't know what RLC is, it's Hot Wheels Redline Club. It's like an exclusive club on Mattel Creations, which is like their exclusive kind of side of like the whole toy industry essentially. The Redline Club does have Hot Wheels that come out that are special. As you can see, the packaging is completely different, and there's going to be a lot of differences with like the cars themselves, the paint, the wheels, and some even moving parts. So first we're going to start off with this one, which is the 1993 Ford Mustang Cobra R, which, like I said, the packaging is completely different. Got the Redline Club logo right here, but let's go ahead and bust this one open. They do come in these nice protector packs, which is super awesome. And since this was the club car, it does come with a couple little bonus things. Comes with like a little patch right here, which I think it looks pretty cool. Every year it's a different patch, different design. And then you get this like little button, which has the car on there. But this is the 2023 club car, and I think it looks absolutely incredible. It does have like fancier paint. As you can see, like the tires it has like nicer rims and rubber tires. Let's see, is it even focusing? There we go. But these are a lot nicer. Even like the license plate on the back is RLC 23. And then whenever you flip it around to the back side, there's actually a window on the back so you can see both sides of the car. And then it has some information about the car on there. Some of the cars from the Redline Club up in this top area would have like a sticker that it actually has like a limited out of like a certain number. Typically nowadays it's about 30,000. So it'd be like whatever number out of like 30,000. And they're like specifically numbered. Ones like this, they don't have a specific number. It's just however many people order, I believe. I don't think they capped it out. But, yeah, this thing looks absolutely incredible. They recently came out with this car as a Redline Club, and it was in red, which that one looked really good too. But this one, I think, is absolutely incredible. The attention to detail is phenomenal. But, obviously, cars like this are not just like the $1 car. This was, I believe, $25. And then to be in the club, you have to pay like an annual fee of $10. So technically, if you're signing up for the first time, this would be a $35 Hot Wheel. But every single time a new car goes live, if you're in the club, you do have an opportunity of picking up a car, especially like this one. It just came out just after the Mustang. So I think it looks really amazing. It's a 66 Super Nova, which, as you can see, that blue looks really good. But let's go ahead and pull it out of its protective little case it comes with. Set that aside. And then now you can see all the detail that is on that car, which looks absolutely insane. Like the wheels they look metal. I don't know if they're metal or plastic, but you still have like the rubber tires on there. And then actually has the Goodyear text on the sidewall of the tire, which is absolutely incredible. And this one has like an open engine bay with a very detailed engine. And like the way the paint just kind of reflects that light. They call it a Spectraflame. So this would be like a Spectraflame blue. And look at that. The way that shine hits is so nice. Just the attention to detail is a lot nicer. The bottoms are nice and metal as well. Some of them, actually, the Mustang does have it like this, where the exhaust is actually colored differently as well. So a couple of them will have like a different exhaust. There's detail kind of on the top side, bottom side, like all around. But these are just absolutely amazing. And then the back is just like the Mustang, where it has like the little window there in the back. This one is also not numbered. So in the future, we'll be having some that you'll see the number up in the top corner. But yeah, these things are absolutely amazing. Like I said, Hot Wheels Redline Club. I did pick up a couple of each of these. I will have like one of each on Mercari. If you don't know what Mercari is, it's a like buying and selling website. It's kind of like other websites where you can buy and sell, but to me it's a lot easier to use. If you guys do use my link in the description down below and use like my little code that's there, you guys can get an additional $10 off with your first purchase. And then when you sell stuff up to $100, you get $20 back as well. So that's easy, free money. Just create an account, hop on Mercari. And if you guys do want to pick up something like this, I will be having this listed on there as well as this Mustang. So both of these cars are absolutely incredible. Let me know in the comments down below which one you guys like more. And also, are you already in the RLC? Like, There's a lot of people in the club. Let me know if you guys are in the RLC. But if you guys like this video, definitely go down and hit that like button down below. Subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. But as always, thank you for watching.